Okay, here we have a 3-ton mini split in a restaurant. These are the air filters in it. Looks like they've been taking those down and cleaning those occasionally. This is me just showing that I have to remove stuff off the counter so that any water that drips down doesn't get all over any food product or anything, cups or whatever's there. As you can see, this thing is pretty greasy in a kitchen where they're doing a lot of cooking, bacon, a lot of bacon and eggs and grease in the air. So they cook like hundreds of pounds of bacon every morning. So there's grease all over the place. They got a constant battle. So as you can see, I'm degreasing the evap here, and it's pretty gnarly. The wheel was pretty gnarly too. I actually cleaned the wheel too. Okay, this is me almost done with it. Probably, yeah, pretty much on the tail end of it, being it's pretty clean by now. Just got to do one more rinse probably, and it's quite a job cleaning that thing and the wheel. That thing was way dirty. Oh, mini split cleaning. Even cleaned the wheel. A little bit, I guess. Didn't do it great, I guess. But sure, a whole hell of a lot better than it was. The thing was like one solid log of dirt. I guess I'm gonna have to get in there and degrease it again. But it's like 99% better than it was. That's for sure. Cleaned all the way up. Let's see. Hang on. Let me see if I can get up here. Edit that out. Okay. So we got the cleaned the evap up pretty good. I think. Yeah, you can see through it. I think. Yeah, that's the light is on the video. Is showing through it. Just use two different kind of coil cleaners. One on the left, one on the right. The left one did a better job than the new bright. I was shocked. The brown stuff I'm using in a jug. I'll do a video outside. That stuff's working pretty good, and it's not as gnarly as the new bright, but it seems to do a better job. It's more not so scary as shit, and it doesn't like. Yeah, it did a better job. The brown stuff did. Huh, that's cool. Anyways, this thing was gnarly. This thing was in bad shape. Really bad shape. But tuned it up pretty good. Samsunger 3-tonner. So let's see what this thing is. It's on the right side. They got the model number over here. This thing's been a good unit. They've got put in by a bunch of yo-yos. They were like, if you can see the line set, it's like pro job there, man. Freaking foam tape. But the guy saw him when he was putting it in. He was like wrapping it like with duct tape. Some apprentice guy that didn't know what was going on. But anyways, but it's been good, man. I mean, good. Samsung's a good unit, man. There's a couple of them, a couple different places. Anyways, just cleaning up the old mini split. Okay, it's just a few more pictures of me. Pretty close to done with it. I think this is right before. Huh. It's just close-ups of the wheel. And this is the end. Shined it up nice with 409 on the outside after I was all done, degreasing it and cleaning up, and came out pretty nice, if I do say so myself. Alright, click like on the video if you could, and subscribe. And this is just a end roll on the unit. It's like I think it's 2009 unit. It was probably put in 2010, so it's 8 years old. Been zero problems for 8 years, so it's a good unit. I like it. Alright, click like on the video and subscribe. Alright, take care. Bye.